Hey, it's Miss Alana, and we're working on more math to get you smarter and smarter every day. So we've been working on soccer math. In this video, we are going to work on the Ronaldinho soccer math sheet, and this one is about his weight. All right? So make sure you have your sheet so we can get started on that. All righty. Let me see. Bam, let's zoom it in. And there he is, kicking the ball. And let's look at his weight. All right, so on your paper, or up here, you can look up here, it says that his weight is 176 lbs. Now, I'm sure you've seen that abbreviation lbs. lbs stands for pounds. That's kind of weird how that the abbreviation and the actual word, they don't look the same and they don't match. But remember, whenever you see lbs, we don't say lbs, we say pounds. See, remember that? If you didn't know that, bam, your mind just got blown, and now you know something new that you didn't before. So he's 176 pounds. Let's do some math with that fact. Look at the first one. It says, how much does he weigh in ounces? So sometimes when you were born, well, not sometimes when you were born, when you were born, your weight was probably 7 pounds and 2 ounces, or maybe you were 5 pounds and 10 ounces, or maybe you were 10 pounds and 1 ounce. So usually when it's something tinier, you have those extra things, but guess what? We're going to convert his weight into ounces and just be ounces on its own. All right, so it says, how much does he weigh in ounces? So I gave you a conversion factor. What conversion did I give you? It says 1 pound, LB is a shortcut for that, equals 16 ounces. So if you go to the grocery store, you get 1 pound of bananas. That's the same thing as 16 ounces. If you go shopping and get some fruit, like, what kind of fruit? A pound of strawberries, that is 16 ounces. Okay, a pound of candy. No candy, so bad for you. Let's go back to the fruit and vegetable section. Let's get a pound of eggplant. Ooh, a pound of eggplant. A pound of eggplant is 16 ounces, okay? So we're going to convert his weight, 176 pounds of a human person, into ounces. And to do that, it says to convert his weight into ounces, multiply the number of pounds by 16. So what operation are we going to do to convert, to change pounds to ounces? It says it right there. We need to multiply. We need to multiply what? It says multiply. Let me scoot this up for you. We need to multiply. Bam, right there, multiply. Now, I'm giving you all the hints, and I'm helping you out, so you should be really, really good at doing this math. Multiply the number of pounds by 16. Well, how many pounds was he? 1 pound. No, he's not 1 pound. Go look at the top. It was 176. He was 176 pounds, or lbs. So we need to do that times 16, okay? So I'm going to write 176 times 16. Always make sure all your numbers are nice and straight, nice and neat, so you can multiply correctly, okay? So did you set up your problem vertically like this? Yes. Are you ready? Are you ready to multiply? All right, let's multiply. What's 6 times 6? Now hold on. If you don't know your times tables, or you're not that quick at it, make sure you practice every day, because the more you practice, the better and better you get. And then, bam, you don't even need any help. You're just going to know it in your mind, and it just comes to you so fast. All right? 6 times 6 is what? 36. I write the 6, and I carry the 3 right there. Now I do 6 times 7, which is 42. And then 3 more, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I write the 5, and then I carry the 4. Okay? So now I'm what? I'm done with that. But I'm not done with the problem. I'm done with the 6. So what do I do with that 6? I cross it out, because number 6, I'm done with you. Leave that right there. What else am I done with? I'm done with these numbers that I carried. cross them out, because if you don't, you might forget that you already used them and then add them later, and then the problem is just going to be wrong, and then you're going to have to start all over again. So cross them out so you don't get confused. All right? Okay, we're not done. What else do I have to do? Oh my gosh, I didn't even finish the problem. Hold on. I did 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. I just got so excited. Hold on. 6 times 7 is 42. 43, 44, 45. And I wrote that 4. I forgot to do 6 times 1. So I hope you didn't forget. I forgot. I hope you did it. That 6 times 1 is 6. Plus what was that? What do we have there? Let me reverse it. Reverse. I can't see it. That was a 4. All right, let me just reverse it all. All right, so 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. I'm so glad I caught my mistake. Make sure you catch your mistakes too when you make them, okay? All right, so now I'm done. I got carried away. Cross that off, cross that off, cross that off. I'm done. Now what do I do? Placeholder. Don't forget your placeholder. Right there, placeholder. Then I do 1 times 6 is 6. And then I do 1 times 7 is 7. See, if you didn't cross that out, you might add it by accident. I'm glad I crossed it out. Make sure you do too. 1 times 7, that's 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Now what? Okay, we need to add them together. Let's add 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Write the 1, carry the 1 up there. 1 plus 0 is 1. And then 7 more is, that's 8. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, does this problem have decimals? No. So my answer is good, but what am I forgetting? I'm forgetting about my comma. Make sure you write the comma. Comma goes 1, 2, 3, comma. And then one more thing we forgot. What did we forget? The unit. What's the unit? He is 2,816 what? Pounds. No, not pounds. Not pounds. Ounces. So you can write the word ounces out like that, or the abbreviation OZ. OZ. Or ounces is fine. Okay? Are you good on that? All right, let's do the next problem. Got it? All right, I'm going to erase. Bam. Erase. Scoot it up. All right. The next question says, about how much does he weigh in kilograms? How much does he weigh in kilograms? So we've done pounds and we've done ounces. Another unit that we use, another measurement that we use to measure weight is kilograms. See, you just know so many ways to measure weight. And we know that 1 pound, now look at that. It's not an equal sign. It's like a squiggly line. That means approximately. That means about. Because really, this number had more digits, but I wasn't going to have you do that. We're just going to stop right there at the hundreds place. So 1 pound is about 45 hundredths of a kilogram. Okay? So to convert his weight into kilograms, multiply the number of pounds by 45 hundredths. So what operation are we doing here? We are multiplying. Bam, look, I'll give you the hint right there. You multiply. We're multiplying the what? The number of pounds by 45 hundredths. Now, we know the pounds. Okay, not 1 pound. Look back at the top. He was how much? 176 pounds. Let me just get my paper just to double check. Yes. See, look, I have it up there, and I have my paper too, just to double check and make sure I'm not telling you the wrong thing. So he's 176 pounds. Now, we need to multiply that, 176 pounds, multiply that number by this number right here, okay? So again, when you multiply, it doesn't matter which number goes on top, but I'd rather put the number with more digits on the top, okay? So let me write that down. 176 times 45 hundredths. But Miss Alana, it has 3 digits and 3 digits. They both do, but this is a 0, so I probably don't even have to worry about that. And remember, when we're multiplying, we don't have to add add decimals, we can just multiply, okay? Are you ready to multiply? Let's start here. 5 times 6 is 30. Write the 0, carry the 3 right there. And then 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3 more, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I write the 8 and the 3 right there. And then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, am I done? Make sure I don't mess up like I did the last one. Am I done with that 5? I multiplied everything? Yes. Cross it out. I'm done. I'm done with you. I'm done with you. And what do we put right here? A placeholder. So remember, make sure everything is lined up nice and neat. Placeholder 0. Okay, now we're going to multiply with that 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Write the 4 and carry the 2 up there. Can you see that? There's a 2 up there. And then 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 2 more, 28, 29, 30. So I'm going to write the 0 and carry the 3. 4 times 1 is 4. And then 3 more, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now if you want to multiply that 0, you can, but then you'll just end up with a bunch of zeros. We don't need to worry about that. Now we add. So, 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is, remember, start with 8 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 1, 8, and 0 give us 9. And then we have that 7. All right, are we done? Oh, no, we are not done because we forgot something. Okay, we forgot the unit. The unit, what else did we forget? Look, there's a decimal point. So our answer needs to have a decimal point, okay? So look at the decimal here. How many numbers behind the decimal do you see? 2. Look, 1, 2. There's 2 right there. So when we go to the answer, I count 1, 2, and then the decimal goes right there in that spot. Oh, can you see that? 79 and 20. Can you see that? 79 and 20 what? Hundreds, okay? 79 and 20 hundreds. And what is the unit for that one? Look right there. Not pounds. We did pounds. Kilograms. So you can write the word kilograms or write the abbreviation. I'll write the abbreviation. So that means Ronaldinho is 79 and 20 hundredths kilograms. That's his weight. Same thing as the other answer, pounds, which was 176. So keep working, keep practicing math every day. Get smarter and smarter every day, smarter and smarter every time you practice. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more learning videos and learn more math. Yes, I'll see you next time. Get everything else done, okay? See you then.